In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Devin AI account. If you're ready to get started on your Devin AI journey, the first thing you'll need to do is visit the official Devin AI website. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in devin.ai to navigate to their homepage. Once you're there, look out for the options that will allow you to kick off the sign-up process. Typically, you'll find this under buttons labeled Start Building or Sign Up. Go ahead and click on one of these to dive into the registration process. Now that you're moving forward, it's time to provide some personal information to get your account set up. The first field you'll come across will likely ask for your name. Be sure to enter this, as it's how you'll be identified within the platform. Next, you will need to input your email address. It's important to choose an email you use frequently, since this will be the main way Devin AI communicates with you. Expect to receive confirmation emails, updates, and any other important messages through this inbox. Following your email address, you'll be asked to create a password. Choose a strong and secure password that combines letters, numbers, and special characters to ensure your account's security. It's a good idea to avoid easily guessable words or simple numeric sequences. Once you've filled in these details, take a moment to double-check the accuracy of your entries. Ensuring the correctness of your email and password is crucial, as any mistakes could delay your access to the platform. Depending on the platform's requirements, you may also be prompted to provide additional information about your organization or team. Don't worry, this information is used primarily to tailor your experience and offer functionalities that best suit the needs of your setup. If this step is included, clearly and accurately convey the requested details about your organization. This might involve naming your organization and maybe sharing its size or industry. To wrap up, once all the required fields are filled to your satisfaction, proceed to finalize your registration. You might need to check your email for any confirmation messages from Devin AI. Click on the verification link they send to activate your account, which is an essential step in assuring full access to all of Devin AI's features. Congratulations, you're now ready to explore the world of Devin AI with your brand new account. Feel free to look around and acquaint yourself with the platform's various tools and options. Thank you for watching this step-by-step guide on setting up a Devin AI account. We hope this walkthrough makes your registration process a breeze.